live, baby, we live. It's Friday, done with work. Gonna go hit up Jimmy John's real quick, get a nice sub. Club Lulu is what I fuck with. The turkey, bacon, lettuce, mayo, pretty fire. Provolone cheese. But yeah, let's rip it up. Got this new exhaust on here. So I guess this video will be basically testing out the new exhaust. Let's get after it. Dude, this exhaust sounds so good. Yeah, dude, this fucking exhaust, it sounds so good, bro. But yeah, dude, get a nice ride in, rip up the highway for a little bit after I grab a quick sandwich. On these bikes though, like I feel like what people, I understand what other people are saying, like all you do is just want to go fast, because all the power and all the fun's up in the rev range, in the high RPM. So, and then going in the twisties, like I don't know, like hitting like 50 to 90 mile per hour is pretty fun too. But over 100, this thing just screams, and I don't know, that's pretty much where a lot of the fun's at. I mean, I'm not hitting corners at 100 miles an hour, but it's fun hitting straights like that. The rev matching sounds so good on this pipe too, especially when you're ripping on it. There you go. Have some Jimmy John's real quick. Yes, sir. Damn, bro, that was fucking gas. Destroyed that. Sandwich real quick. Alright, so I say we'll rip it on the highway real quick and test out this new exhaust, dude. I'm stoked. Sounds so fucking good, yo. Definitely worth it. The M4 GP19 exhaust, pretty cheap and sounds really good. Has a nice deep growl to it as well. It's not too screechy. Maybe top out the speed, but I doubt it's like kind of a traffic guy right now. It's gonna be hard. Looks like there's a lot of traffic on the highway from this distance over here. Dude, I fucking love this bike, dude. So much better than the Ninja 400. Thing rips. Sounds so good, and the downshifts, you get the nice popping too. Definitely gonna get a tune for it eventually. That's the plan. I have that 5-year warranty, so I might go the Power Commander route, but some people are telling me it's not going to void my warranty if I just get another ECU, flash that. If I need to get my bike worked on, just pop in the stock ECU. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. We shall see. I got this pipe from sportsbiketracker.com for like $380. It's pretty cheap for it. I got rid of the pre-chamber and then the muffler itself, so it's like almost like 25 pounds I think total. So bring down this bike to close to I don't know, like 400 pounds, which is pretty sweet. I added the radiator guard on this, tech spec tank grips, Woodcraft frame sliders. I got Impact Tech race rails on the way too. So, and then I got the Graves fender eliminator on in the back here, and the M4 slip-on so far. I don't think I'm missing anything else. That's all I got so far. I'm only at 634 miles, so. hear it. Dude, it sounds so fucking good. Holy shit. Sounds so good. There we go. Downshift sounds so fucking good too. My god. Exhaust sounds so good, yo. Oh, way better than the Ninja 400. Like, this is the kind of noise you gotta hear in person, bro. It's like, holy fuck. It's just so addicting. I love it. downships. Ooh, juicy. Popping. Oh, dude. It's orgasmic. Oh my gosh. So happy with this fucking bike, dude. And you know, the new ZX6R just got announced too. It has the new front fairings on it, TFT display, but I'm more of a, I really prefer the tachometer. The tach. It's just, I don't know, I glance down and I kind of know where I'm at a little better. I don't know, my peripheral vision can like see the tach a lot better than personally. I'm sure I'd get used to the TFT dash if I went for it though. I didn't get a 600 earlier. I just was enjoying the Ninja 400 for a little while. Glad I did. I learned how to do wheelies and stuff on it, so I don't plan on doing wheelies really on this until I get my Impact Tech race rails on it. I'll start popping some power wheelies. And it's honestly on its way. It's already in Chicago from Cali, so it's almost here. Probably a couple more days. I got glass back because I was hoping they I already have it in stock and I can get my rails earlier. And I feel like the gloss black was best with the KRT edition anyways. I was gonna get green, but it's like, nah, that's way too much green. Black would suit it nice. So what do you guys think, man? ZX6R? Anyone who has a Ninja 400, I think the ZX6R is like the perfect upgrade, especially if you guys wait for the new one. You'll get the TFT dash and all that, but you're gonna lose some of the upper end because on the new bike they had to meet emissions for Europe and all that. So But like the bonus side to it is like the low end and middle range is a lot stronger, so there'll be more torque in that range. But honestly, where all the fun's at is in the top end of these bikes. I mean, it's an inline 4, so I'm kind of glad I picked up a 2023, because the new one has like, I don't know, I think 6 less horsepower or something like that, maybe a little bit more, and it lost a couple pounds of torque too. But they made up for that torque in the lower to mid range, so we'll see how it all pans out. But like I said, I prefer the tachometer, and it just, I don't know, less electronics is better, honestly, for me. And I don't really need to connect to my phone or anything like that. It would be pretty dope, but another distraction for me. It's a colorful screen. We already look at enough fucking screens all day. I just want raw, keep it raw when I'm on this. This bike's everything I wanted. Perfect upgrade. I already topped it out at like fucking like 158 or something like that the other day. And it's kind of windy today, so I didn't want to push it. I felt the wind a little too crazy today. So I'm not sure what speed I hit earlier. Something in the 140s, I'm sure. But yeah, got it full power mode now. Traction control 2. Maybe take it down to traction control 1 when I start doing power wheelies, and then take it to 0 eventually. Probably always gonna leave it in 2 in the twisties and all that though, to, you know, keep that traction, to keep those stock tires to the ground. Not bad, not bad. Let's send it. incline up here, but we'll see what we can top out on this incline. Damn, it's windy as hell. Maybe not. I'll definitely be able to hit like 160, 165. Because I was on an uphill, I was able to hit 150. So on a flat, I've already hit 158. So if I tune it, I'm able to even hit fucking 165, 64. Because I was on an incline, bro. Hitting 150 on an incline, that's dope. That's fucking fast as fuck. Alright guys, so about 700 miles in. Let's look at the upgrades I got on here so far. We got the frame sliders, like I said, tech-spec tank grips. We got M4 GP19 exhaust on the back, the Graves fender eliminator. We got what else? Yeah, the radiator guard back here. Yeah, and I don't know, I think the Woodcraft frame sliders are the best you can get, to be honest. That's all I really got so far. Probably I got Impact Tech race rails on the way, so that's gonna look pretty sick. Probably gonna get some Woodcraft rear sets too. That's basically it so far, man. I love this bike so far. It rips. As you see, it sounds amazing. I don't know if the mic's gonna pick it up as well as in person, but I'm sure it'll still sound decent. But yeah, coming from a Ninja 400 to this. I was on a Z400 for 2 years, then Ninja 400 for 2 years, and then jump onto this. Probably the best upgrade. I know a lot of people were saying, I don't know, you can use all the power in the ZX4R, but I didn't want to get another, like, that'll be like my fourth 400cc bike. Like, I did not want to do that, so I think this is the perfect upgrade for me, and definitely worth every penny. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you next week for another video. Peace out.